So we've got our Scorpion UVC LED disinfecting light here for an extreme durability test. We're gonna throw it off this 40-foot roof, see if it still works, see if your UV light can do this.
All right, let's see how it did. Took a little damage. All right, let's plug it in here. Hang on, we bent the plug. All right, there we go. And the switch is over here now. Look at that, it works great. All right, let's send it up for another drop, see what happens.
All right, we got it back. Took some damage on the base, nothing major. We're gonna throw it off again and see what happens.
All right, drop 2. She sustained a little more damage. Let's see what happens. All right, let's plug it in. Again, we have a bent plug. All right, there we go. All right, let's see, find the switch. Works again perfectly. All right, let's do another drop. Let's see what happens. Number 3, send it up.
All right, it's coming back up for number 3. Third drop off a 40-foot roof and it's still working. Let's see what happens.
All right, just taking a beating. Let's give it a try. Straighten these prongs out again. And let's plug it in and see what happens here. Find the on switch. And it works. Fantastic. 3 drops and the Scorpion still works.